Hello students, we are going to start with English grammar unit number 7, the use of adverbs. Now what is adverbs? Adverbs is used to describe more about verb. Let's see, an adjective tells us more about a noun. Now adjective is used to describe noun, it is telling more about a noun. Noun is used for a person or a thing, and verb is used for to know the action, that what action the subject is making. So adverb tells us more about verb and adjective tells us more about noun. Now see, he is a slow driver. So here it is telling about the noun. Driver means it is telling about a person who is a driver and he is a slow. Here slow is adjective. Fast driver, slow driver. It is telling about the noun. He drives slowly. Now see, drives is action. It is telling that the person he is driving, means the subject is driving. And how he is driving? Slowly, fast, quickly, bad. Or so he drives slowly. So adverb is slowly and verb is noun. So it is telling more about verb is adverb. The word slow tells us more about the noun driver, therefore it is an adjective. I have told you it is telling about a driver, so it is adjective, and here it is telling about verb, so it is adverb. The word slowly tells us more about verb drives, therefore it is an adverb. Now see, there are four main types of adverbs. There are four types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, that is easily, slowly, quickly, happily, carefully. It is telling the manners, that how the verb is working, slowly, fastly, quickly, happily, sadly. Adverbs of time, today, tonight, tomorrow, yesterday, last day, 2 days. It is telling about time. Place, here, there, at Delhi, to school, in the sky, in the kitchen, in the room. It is telling about the place. And frequency, often, never, always, usually, sometimes. So there are four types of adverbs: manner, time, place and frequency. Now see, placement of adverbs. It is important to place an adverb at the right place in a sentence. Always keep in mind the rules given below. Now it is telling that adverbs should be kept in the right place, and see here, an adverb of manner should be placed after the object. If there is no object, it should be placed after the verb. So it is telling that adverb of manner. Manner means clearly, carefully, quickly, fast, slow. So it is manner, and adverb of manner should be placed after object, and if there is no object, it should be put after verb. Now he spoke clearly. So clearly is a manner, so it is he spoke. After the verb it is written. She told everything clearly. She worked carefully. She did her work carefully. So all these are manners. An adverb of time can be placed at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. So it is telling that adverb of time, that is yesterday, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 2 days, it should be kept on the beginning of the sentence or at the end. He went to Delhi yesterday, so it is kept on the end. Yesterday he went to Delhi, it is in front. I am changing my school this year, so time is at the end, and this year I am changing my school, time is in the front. Now see, an adverb of place should be placed after the object. If there is no object, it should be placed after the verb. So manner and place both are kept after the object, and if there is no object, it is kept after the verb. So they were playing here. So place, here, there, in the room, in the kitchen, so that is place. So they were playing, it is action, it is verb, and it is kept after the verb. They were playing a match, it is here is kept after the object. She was singing in her room, so see here, in her room, it is place. She was singing a sad song in her room, so it is kept after the object. Now see, an adverb of frequency is always placed after is, am, are, was, were, or before the main verb. So is, am, are they are the linking verbs is the. So it is kept after the is, am, are, was, were, adverb of frequency. See, Bob is always late, always, never, often comes to, they are all the adverbs of frequency. So Bob is always late, always is frequency, so it is kept after is. I am never late for school, never is frequency and it is kept after am. So most adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to an adjective. See, they all, in all these words, ly is added. Slow becomes slowly, clear, clearly, active, actively, wise, wisely. Now see, but note the following adjectives and their adverb forms. So you have to see that adjective and adverb form. He was a good player. Now see, in adjective we cannot write he was a well player. We write he was a good player. So good is used for adjective, but he played well. So here well is used for adverb. Now see, he is a fast walker. It is adjective, but he walks fast. So walker is used for adjective, but walks in adverb, and fast is used in both adjective and adverb. Now see, he is a hard worker. It is adjective. It is telling about about a boy, that he is a hard worker. Now he works hard. Work is an action. It is verb. So here it was worker and here works. Sentence, adjective and adverb is changed. Now see, order of adverbs. Adverbs of frequency come before the main verb or after is, am, are, was, were. So frequency was used after is, am, are, was, were, or before main verb. Same. The normal position of other adverbs is at the end of the sentence. See, manner, place, it is used after the end. He spoke well. He spoke at the meeting. He spoke this morning. She was crying bitterly. She was crying in her room. She was crying last evening. So all these words are used after at the end of the sentence. The more particular expression of time come before the main general ones. He was born at 7:30 a.m. See, it is in the end. The plane was staged at night on a Sunday or last month. Now see, with a verb of movement, the adverb of place acts as an object. Therefore, it should be placed after the verb. Now see, he went to the station by taxi. The cat jumped into the kitchen through the window. See, this cat jumped into the kitchen through the window. So it is the place, to the station, place. In the kitchen, it is telling about the place. So sometimes the adverb of place acts as a object also. Work with your partner, ask each other how do you do these things. You can use the given adverbs in your answer. See, run. How do you run? I don't run very fast. I run slowly. Both the answers have same meaning, but one answer is in negative and one answer is in affirmative sentence. So how do you read? How do you walk? How do you eat? So I don't eat very fast. I eat slowly. How do you draw? I don't draw very bad. I draw nice. So how do you see? How do you dance? I don't dance very badly. I dance good. Now see, work with your partner. Ask each other how often do you do these things last month. You can use the given adverbs in your answers. So these are the questions and you have to use how often you did these things last month. So watch TV. How often did you watch TV last month? I watched TV every day last month. See, how often did you play cricket last month? So we can say that I never played cricket last month. How often do you go swimming for last month? So I go for swimming. I sometimes went for swimming last month. Here the first form will become second and go will become went. How often you do the cooking last month? So we can write I sometimes did the cooking last month. Now see, work with your partner, ask each other where you do these things normally. You can use the given adverbs in your answer. So here is the question and here is the adverbs. So where do you watch TV normally? So I watch TV in my bedroom. So where do you buy bread? So I buy bread at the baker's. Where do you cook your meals? So I cook my meal. Where do you cook your meals? I cook my meals in the kitchen. Where do you buy your clothes at? I buy clothes at Narula Garment Store. Where do you do your homework? So I do my homework in my dad's room. Now see, write 5 adverbs for each of the following kinds, then use them in true sentence of your own. So you have to tell adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner and frequency, and then you have to make the sentence. See, time at 7:30, at 10 o'clock in the evening. It is the time. Place means here, there, at Mumbai, at Delhi. Manner, quickly, sad, happily. Frequency, never, ever, often. So you have to use these words to make sentence. Now underline the adverbs in each group of words, then rearrange the words to make correct sentence. Now you have to underline adverb and then you have to rearrange these words. So I go to bed, I will tonight early. So I will go to bed early tonight. So see here, adverb comes in the last. So tonight is the time. It is telling about the time that tonight I will go early to the bed. So it will come at the end. Our soldiers bravely fought. So our soldiers fought bravely. Can speak she fluent English? So she can speak English fluently. The guitar can play my sister well. So my sister can play the guitar well. Now see, hang please on the wall this picture. So please hang this picture on the wall. Is at this restaurant good? The food never. So the food is never good at this restaurant. Now say to and enough. To excess more than is good or necessary. To is used in the negative sentence and enough is used in the positive sentence. So it is telling that where to is used and where enough is used. So to is used in the negative sentence and enough is used in the positive sentence. See this example, he is too weak to lift this box. So to is used in negative sentence. So he is so weak that he can't lift this box. So here see, cannot is came, can't is came, so the sentence is negative. But see second one, he is strong enough to lift this box. He is so strong that he can lift this box. See here cannot is not there, here it is can. So this sentence is positive. He is too ill to need a doctor. He is so ill that he know that it is no use to send a doctor. No is come those. So this sentence is in negative form. But he is ill enough to need a doctor. So he is so ill that you must send a doctor. So this sentence is in positive form. So to is used in a negative and enough is used for a positive sentence. Now see exercise. It is too cold for us to go out. So to will become so. It is so cold that us will become we, that we can't go out. It is to is there, so can't will come. She is wise enough to understand it. So she is so wise that she will understand it. Remember that to will become so and enough will also become so, but it will come here. He is too poor to buy a bicycle. So he is so poor that he can't buy a bicycle. You are too late to catch the train. So you are so late that you can't catch the train. He is tall enough to reach the shelf. So enough will become so, he is so tall that he can reach the shelf. Enough is there, so the sentence we will make it positive. So he can reach the shelf. Now combine each pair of sentences using the word in brackets. You have to combine these sentences. It is very cold, we can't go out. See here, can't is there, then we will use to. It is understood. So it is too cold for us to go out. It is very dark, I can't see anything. So the sentence is in negative form. To will come. It is too dark for me to see anything. Now see, I am very tired, I can sleep all night. The sentence is positive, so we will use enough. I am tired enough to sleep all night. Now see, you are very tall, you can touch the ceiling. So you are tall enough to touch the ceiling. Now see, complete each sentence using to or enough as shown. Now you have to complete this sentence by using to or enough. So I couldn't walk, so we will use to. He can lift this box, we will use enough. The film was boring, we will use it was too long. So the film was boring. He can travel alone, he is old enough. I can't talk to you now, I am busy. I am too busy. It is can't. So too busy. So here we have completed our chapter. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.